All right, well, rain is back in the forecast for us. We're tracking a downpour right here. Here's Crossville showing that downpour. And this is not a severe storm, not even a whole lot of lightning with this storm, no rotation, just some heavy rain and very isolated. Crossville 73 degrees right now, dew point way up there, near 70, so feels very humid. Once again this evening, sunset in just about 1 hour. Here's a look at the Cumberland Plateau, showing some isolated downpours. As far as lightning strikes, a few. Crossville right now is in between a storm to the northeast and a heavy downpour down to the southwest, so kind of dodging these downpours. Most areas are looking dry as we zoom out. Knoxville's dry, areas east are looking dry, and hopefully it stays that way, but there are some cells out to the west that could impact. I know the Savannah Bananas have a sold-out crowd at Neyland Stadium tonight, so hopefully those showers can hold off for that game. Temperatures right now still very warm, right around 80 degrees, and the comfort cast is not looking good. That feels very tropical down there across portions of Bledsoe, Ray, and McMinn counties. That's right now, and as we go throughout the evening hours, it will stay humid. Here's 6 predictor, so it's just a computer model, but it does show that small chance for a stray shower. So I do think that most likely that game will be staying dry, but we can't rule out a stray shower. Most likely lightning will not be seen with those, though. Then as we go late evening, here's 10, 11. I think at this time, I think those chances for rain will be going up a little bit. So I'm not sure when that game is supposed to end, but if you're still outside by 10 or 11 this evening, those chances for rain will be going up. Not widespread, pretty scattered as we go throughout the overnight. Severe weather is not expected, just a few showers as we go throughout the overnight. Tonight, low to mid 60s for those lows, so stays mild as we go throughout the overnight. Here's tomorrow, Sunday day planner. It will be staying active, temperature 82 degrees, pretty seasonable for this time of the year. And here is a look at a 6 predictor showing a mainly dry start to the day, but I think as we go into the afternoon, chances for showers and storms will be increasing. As far as severe weather potential, that looks pretty low. I think we're just going to see at most a strong storm with maybe some gusty winds. Not too worried about tornadoes tomorrow. But here's 8 o'clock. That could be pretty widespread Sunday evening as far as those rain chances go. And with all the rain that we have seen, the flash flood threat is back in the forecast low, but definitely not zero. So we have to watch for that as we zoom out and look at Monday for Memorial Day, highlighted in medium. So the flash flood threat a little bit higher Monday, mainly south of I-40. All of East Tennessee has that small chance for some flash flooding. And here's that official forecast for Monday. Starting out in the 60s, lower chance in the morning. I think as we go into the afternoon, we will see better chances for those storms. It won't be a washout, so if you have plans, I would just keep an eye on the radar. Maybe have a backup plan if you have any backyard barbecue ideas. Maybe have a backup plan to bring that inside, because we could be seeing those chances for rain Monday, and then even continuing throughout pretty much all of next week as we stay in this active pattern. Here are the rainfall totals for the next several days. 2 to 3 inches, that flood threat is low, but we have to pay close attention as we could be seeing that even into next week. Here's that 7-day forecast showing temperatures pretty seasonable. I think we see rain chances throughout the 7-day stretch. By Saturday, not as humid, maybe some relief in sight.